Hey everyone! Today we are making XۉI MmaeN, a Vietnamese sticky rice dish with a twist. We'll be using 4 different colors of sticky rice: green, yellow, blue and purple, all made with natural ingredients. First, let's make the purple sticky rice. To do this, we need to boil the magenta leaf to extract the color. Start by washing and rinsing the leaves and place them in a pot with water. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. The leaves will emit a beautiful violet color. Once cooled, drain the magenta water into a bowl and discard the leaves. You can freeze the water for later use and soak the glutinous rice in the juice overnight. For green sticky rice, I grind pandan leaves and squeeze to get the juice and soak the glutinous rice in the juice overnight. To make blue sticky rice, soak the butterfly pea flowers in hot water to extract the color. Then soak a glutinous rice in the water overnight. For yellow color, simply add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into the soaking water. Drain the soaked sticky rice, put each type into a steamer basket. Steam for about 20 minutes. Next, let's make the coconut cream mixture. Combine the coconut cream, salt, sugar and mix well. Drizzle half of the mixture onto the sticky rice and fluff it with chopsticks. Cover and steam for 10 more minutes. Repeat with the remaining mixture and steam for another 10 minutes until the rice is soft and translucent. Fluff it one last time with chopstick and turn off the heat. To prepare the fillings and toppings, simply cut Chinese sausages into small dices. Next, crack 2 eggs in a bowl and add the Chinese sausage and seasonings. Stir well, then pour the mixture into a frying pan and cook on low heat until the eggs is cooked. Then roll it up into a log. Lay out a sheet of plastic wrap on top of a sushi mat. Spread 8 types of sticky rice evenly in a row, one next to another. Place the egg roll in the middle and roll it up. Press tightly to form it into a log. Then cut in half to reveal the beautiful fillings. Add some scallion oil and fried shallot on top and it's done. The flavor is very similar to XޯI MmaeN with egg and Chinese sausages and scallion oil and shallot. But the presentation and the beautiful colors give it a brand new look. How do you think of this idea? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and I will see you then next time. Bye!